This is my Jeep, just got back from about a 25-mile drive. I've noticed the last several times I've driven this thing, you can see the oil pressure falling off there. It was doing this when I first got the Jeep several years ago, about 3 years ago, and I changed the oil sensor out and it stopped doing it. So I don't know if it's the sensor or the oil pump, but I do have a new oil pump coming. That'll be one of my upcoming videos, probably in December. I may get on it within the next couple of weeks, I'm not sure. And I'll be also putting a main seal and probably crankshaft bearings. Anyway, you can see it fluctuating. And sometimes it goes all the way to the bottom and I get the alarm. And usually it's idling there about 500 or 600 RPM. You see it? It hasn't dropped all the way down though, but it has. A little while ago when I pulled up to a red light and stopped, I heard a beep and it was, see, you hear it? When it bottoms out, you get that beep. So, but anyway, that's my Jeep update out for now. Oh, and before I go, I've gotten less than 100 miles before my 500-mile gear oil change on the Dana 35. And probably got about 70 miles left out. And here's some of the parts that I've purchased, some off of eBay, some off of Amazon. Should be coming in the next few days to a couple of weeks. Thanks for coming by and watching. We'll see you on the next update. My Jeep out.